Select a tape that is 1.5 to 2 inches wider than the thickness of the book. If the spine is still attractive, you may wish to save it to reattach after the rebacking is completed. Attach a bone folder to the end of the roll and unroll the tape. Place the tape on the book with the sticky side up and a folder hanging over the end of the book. Attach the second bone folder to the tape so that it also hangs over the end of the book. Cut the tape so that both the bone folders remain attached to the portion you'll be using for the book. Cut and attach a strip of heavy paper to act as a reinforcement down the center of the strip of tape. This strip of paper should be as wide as the spine of the text block. Attach a strip of filament tape across the Fastape along the inside edges of each bone folder to reinforce the head caps. Remove the folders and make 4 cuts at an angle to the corners of the reinforcing paper. Fold the center tab of the tape over and attach the tape to the book. As you bring the tape around the corners of the book, use the edge of a bone folder to score it into the hinge grooves. Turn the 4 tabs into the book and smooth them down with a bone folder. If the spine was saved, trim any rough edges, brush Demco Norbond adhesive on the back side, and position it onto the Fastape and smooth it with a bone folder. Place a piece of lightweight cardboard around the spine and secure it with some rubber bands while it dries. After removing the rubber bands, brush Norbond over the completed repair to keep the edges of the reattached spine from fraying. The Norbond will dry clear.